Welcome to Maths Genius. Today we will be covering an important topic in the maths portion.
So if I say the question of a circle is inscribed in a square. So if it says a circle is inscribed in a square and the square has a side of 4, right? So what's the area of remaining part? So this is the remaining part, this is and this side. So area of the remaining part, right? Must question for the exam, and often students are unable to solve it. So area of square is basically what? S square, right? So side square 4 square, it is equals to 60. Now how you would find the area? So I was saying of the circle, right? If this is 4, then this whole value is touching it. So 4 is the diameter. Again, why the use of a diameter is so common in the exams? You have to pay particular attention to it. That's why. Okay. So now we know the area of a circle. So pi 16 over 4. This is cancelled. So it becomes 4 pi. So the area of the unshaded part, or sorry, the shaded part or the green part, right? Green part is equals to 16 minus 4 pi. I am taking 4 common, so it becomes 4 minus pi, and this is your final answer. I hope that everyone gets it, because as I have just mentioned it, this is particular examiner's favorite question.
Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and share this video and subscribe my channel for more videos and updates.